Token Poke from Android Forums here. I'm sorry for the delay in the video, but I had a couple problems while shooting. My phone that I'm using to shoot the video died on me, died. I didn't realize that they could drain themselves so bad. It took about 10 minutes to get back up enough power to do anything. Anyway, you're here to go ahead and root your LG Optimus 4G. Now I've taken the battery out of mine. I've also installed a micro SD card right there. I'm gonna go ahead and leave that in there. And I'm gonna put the battery back in. Now, I just restored this to factory because I'm getting ready to sell it, but I need to root it anyway, so this is the perfect time. You want to go ahead and turn your phone on and put it down. And you want to go ahead and boot up your PC. You should be running Windows XP or greater. For this installation, we're going to use Windows XP. You're also going to want a USB cable. Open up your internet browser. I'm going to use Internet Explorer because that's the browser that comes with Windows, and it's the one that people generally have on their computer. I'm going to go to google.com. We're going to Google root motion 4G and press enter. Click the very first link that comes up and let it load. This might take a second because I am running a super slow internet connection. Like I said, this might take a second. While we're waiting for this to load, you can take the USB cable and put it into any port on your PC. I have a laptop, so I'm going to use my side ports. If you know which one is your USB 2.0 port, that's the one you want. This is a USB port. This is a new port. Do not confuse them. Do not try and put a new port into your phone. It does really bad stuff to your phone. Now you'll see a bunch of stuff pop up, and on your phone end it'll say connection type. I'm going to select Media Sync. Let it connect. Open device to view files. Okay. I'm going to open internal storage. Yay, internal storage. I'm gonna make sure I don't have any files on here that you don't need. And I do. Delete. Yes. Okay, now this is your phone as it comes stock. These are the files that are in here. I'm gonna click this little bar and come back to our internet. And scroll down, how to root motion 4G. In case you haven't noticed, I'm doing this absolutely step by step. So if you've already downloaded these files or you've visited this page and you don't know what's not working right, you can either redo everything and have fun or whatever. I'm not worrying about those drivers. You want to click this link. Make this big. It'll take you to XDA. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Oh, look. A bunch of drivers. There are a bunch of files. You want to click on System Backup Test. It'll ask if you want to save or open. You want to click Save. I always go to Desktop. New folder. Motion root. Click the empty space. Double click motion root. Click Save. I'm gonna let those download. As you can see, I'm running on a very slow internet connection. I'm gonna close that. Gonna come down here. 04xr.zip. I'm going to save. It'll open up to right there. I'm going to save. While that's downloading. Now I realize that these are on for shared. These right here. We're gonna click it. For shared has started requiring a user account. And so we're gonna let my super slow internet connection open up. If at any point you find yourself waiting for me to download files, you can go ahead and skip forward a little bit in the video. You don't have to watch the whole video. Like this. Dum, 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 dum. We're going to download. Whoops. Did I just click the stupid people link? No, I did not. Free download. I don't know what all this is. Close all the little pop-ups and retarded stuff. Download instantly with social network. Let me try this again. Free download. Okay, well, it wants me to download by signing up. I'm gonna go ahead and download with Google+. Give me a minute. God dang it. I'm sorry for the delay. Download with Google Plus. I'm sorry, I'm forcing you to stare at cigarettes. There we go. Yay! Now we get to wait. Woohoo! Ignore these things. Download file. Once again, we're going to save. LG motion root. Save. This is gonna take some time. Doop de doop de doo. Okay, well that took a while. Okay, now that all these are done, I'm gonna open the folder. I'm going to click LG United Mobile Driver. Double click on that. Click run. Now I have more updated drivers, so this is going to give me a warning that I can't install it because I already have updated drivers. But for you, it will update your drivers. You can let that close. We're going to right click, extract all on the OX4R. I'm going to click next. I'm going to click next. You can see it. Put a folder right there. No, I don't feel like showing these files because I already have that window open. There we go. Now, we're going to come up here and we can close out the internet windows. Go to my computer. Now your phone should be plugged in. I'm just going to click MTP again just because. Let it go ahead and do its connecting thing. Connecting. I'm sorry for the blurriness of the screen. I see it already says LG Mobile here. That's not right. There we go. Open device to view files. You can close out my computer. We're going to open up our internal storage. We're going to drag that down. We're going to drag this up. I'm going to take this LG system backup test. We're going to drag that. Oh, hold on. We're going to. I said we're going to not double click it. God dang it. See? Even the pros mess up. We're going to drag that down. Do not put it in a folder. Just drop it onto the XD card. Onto the phone, sorry. Let it do its thing. Let it do its thing. Make sure that it's on your phone. Click up. Now I realize for some of you impatient people, see, and plus now I'm getting a not responding. For some of you impatient people, this might seem like a long video, but I was actually specifically asked to go over everything step by step. Right click on there. If it doesn't say eject, then don't worry about it. Just disconnect your phone. Okay. Open up your phone. Click the apps button. And now Polaris Office. Once again, I'm so sorry for the non-focusing and the glare. I might be able to fix that glare. Let me see. No, not right now. Anyway, click on Polaris Office. When you first open up Polaris Office, it's going to ask you if you want to sign up with your email account. You can click cancel and you can skip the tutorial. Click My Files. Scroll all the way down. System Backup Test Signed. Hold on to that, long press it, and rename. Drag the little blue thing, delete the word zip, and type in APK. Should now say that. Click OK. Click yes. Now it'll look like that. Click on that. Press Settings. Unknown Sources. OK. Press the back button. Click it again. Click Install. Click Done. Press your home button. Menu. System Settings. Developer Options. USB debugging. Okay. Click back. Click back. Reconnect your USB. When you come up to this, give it a second. You'll now have a little USB debugging icon. You can't see it very well. It still says connecting. If this is taking too long for you, you can press the back button and drag down. Put this on charge only. Okay. You want it to say charge only. Okie dokie. Apps. System backup test. Hello world. hold the power button, power off, and restart. Now when this reboots, it will be rebooting pretty slowly. Like the phone will flat out run slowly. You can see I'm getting a little bit of a glitchiness. Well, not glitchiness, a little bit of a stutter, I should say. Okay, charge only, USB debugging. Back here on your computer, you can close that. This window should still be open. OX4R, OX4R, root, run. Now if you see all that transferring, and then it says reboot, your phone will reboot. Look at my pretty guitar amp. Yeah. Oh look, a rebooted phone. Open up your phone. Oops. Open up your phone. Click the home button. Apps. Now what we're looking for in here is that Super SU. Do not click sign backup, system backup again. I'm going to show you how to uninstall that. Click your home button, menu, app settings, downloaded, system backup test. Click it, uninstall it. Okie dokie. You can also, well, you can leave that alone. And congratulations, you've rooted your phone. Now, you've rooted your phone. Phone's rooted. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you an extra little amusing thing to do. If you don't care for this, then you can go ahead and leave the video now because you've rooted your phone. But since we've already taken 20 minutes, I want to show you something cool that I found a little while ago. We're going to press menu, system settings. On the first one you click more. No, it's not there, sorry. Scroll down. Connectivity. Now you may have seen this, On Screen Phon. What the heck is On Screen Phon? Well, we're going to turn it on. You do want to have your Wi-Fi set up. If you want, you can do it through Wi-Fi. Or you can do this. Open Internet Explorer back up. We're going to go to Google. And we're going to Google LG OSP. You'll see a lot of things to it, but we're just gonna Google LG OSP. Control your phone from your PC. Woo! Where is it? Oh, I know where it was. Go back. LG MS770 support. Hey, MS770. Isn't that? It is. It's the motion. And here is OSP. Let's click it. Because clicking stuff is fun. Click on OSP. Download and run the file OSP. We're going to download it. That's a big file. Time warp 1 hour and 6 minutes. You got time for that. So once that's downloaded, make sure that your phone is either connected to your house Wi-Fi or connected via USB. And once you've run it, you should have shortcut to LG OSP. We're going to double click on that. I said we're going to double click on that. Okay, there we go. I just saw something happen. Ah! We're going to click new. So I want to step by step this. Settings, wireless and networks, connectivity settings. You can figure out which one's which. We already did ours. It's in connectivity settings. I'm going to click next. We'll try USB cable connection. Click next. Click next. Failed to connect to the mobile phone. So we're gonna go ahead. Let me turn off USB debugging. Reconnect. Click new, click next. Click next. Click next. No USB device found. Do 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 do. Oh, okay, there we go. We need to select LG software. Turn on your phone. Open up your connection settings. LG software. Click OK. Give it a second. Ooh, my background just went crazy. Aha. There we go. Okay. Few features like video player and camera may not be displayed on screen. That's nice. Anyway. So this is my phone now. This will show better. There we go. Super user. That's pretty cool, huh? If you come up here, you can drag this down. It takes a second sometimes. Now just to prove that this is in fact controlling the phone, here's what we're gonna do. I turned on Wi-Fi. I'm gonna open up the Play Store. This will show you the small amount of lag. And I'm gonna search Phandroid. Enter. There we go. So that's just a little extra. Just for you. When you're done, you can click this. And click yes. That also works over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, although both of those are kind of slower. So, I hope I helped you. I know it was a long video. I know you probably skipped a bunch through and back and forth and whatnot, but there you go. It's done. You're very welcome, and enjoy your modding.